everyone, I am Adrija. Welcome back to my study room. In the previous video, we have already completed question number 2 of exercise 11.2. Now we are going to start with question number 3. Find the missing values. Here is a table given, you can see base, height, area of parallelogram. Somewhere the base is missing and somewhere the height is missing. So we need to find out. So first let's solve A. So what do we know? What is the formula of finding the area of parallelogram? It is base into height, right? Base into height. So area is equal to base into height, B into H. Now the area of parallelogram is given, or instead of area we are going to write 246 centimeters square. Base is given 20 centimeter. And height is not given. We need to find the height, right? It is going to be H. Now we can write 246 centimeters square is equal to 20 centimeter into height. We can write this opposite way, right? Like 20 centimeters into height is equal to 246 centimeters square. Right? Or we need to find height is equal to 246 centimeters square. Here 20 centimeter was multiplied, here it will be divided by 20 centimeter, right? So divide it by 2, 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 123 by 10, or H is equal to, what do you know, if it is by 10 then there will be decimal point before one digit, right? Means 12.3, right? Because it is by 10, so 12.3, and height is centimeter, not centimeter square. Okay, so the height is 12.3 centimeter. So let's write it down here. Okay, so we have completed A. Now let's move to B. Same thing, over here base is missing. We need to find the base, and height and area is given. So area is equal to base into height, or area is given 154.5 centimeter square is equal to base. We need to find out base. And then height is 15 centimeter, or now we are going to write this over here and this over here. Means base into 15 centimeter is equal to 154.5 centimeter square, or base is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. Now it was multiplied, here it will become divide, 15 centimeter. Now what? Now let's divide it by 5. 5 threes are 15. Here also 5 threes are 15. 4, so it is 0, then point. 45, 5 nines are 45. 30.9 by 3. So again it will go by 3, so let's write it down again, 30.9 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, then 0, then 3 threes are 9, or B is equal to 10.3, right? Centimeter, not centimeter square, it is centimeter. So this is the answer, 10.3. Okay, now let's move to question number C. In C also you can see base is missing, height is given and area is given. So we need to find out the base. Now number C. same thing, area is equal to base into height, or area is what? 48.72. 48.72 centimeter square is equal to, base is not given, b into 8.4 centimeter. Or now let's write this in opposite way. B multiplied by 8.4 centimeter is equal to 48.72 centimeter square, right? Or now B is equal to 48.72 centimeter square by, right, because here was multiply, here will become divide, 8.4 centimeter. Now let's divide it by 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, then 5 6 7 32. So 4 8s are 32, right? 12.18 by 2.1. Let's write it again. 12.18 by 2.1. Now see, this will go by 3. Okay, so 3 7s are 0.7 will be 3 7s are 21. Here is point. Over here 3 4s are 12, then 0.1, so it will be 0, then 18, 3 6 are 18. So now what we are going to do, we are going to divide this by 0.7, 0.7. Okay, so 0.7, 7 5s are 35, so 0.7 5s are 3.5, right? So 5s are 3.5, 4.0, so how much left? 0.5, right? There will be 1 point. Then 40 minus 5 is 35, right? So 56. So 7 8s are 56. 8s are, or B is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Understood? So we have also completed number C, 5.8 centimeter. Now let's move to number D. Number D is height is missing. Same as the first one. Height is missing, base is given, and area of parallelogram is given. So area is equal to base into height, or area is what? 16.38 centimeter square. 16.38 centimeter square is equal to base is given. Yes, base is given. It is 15.6 centimeter. 15.6 centimeter multiplied by height is not given. Or now same thing we are going to do. We are going to write this in the opposite way. So 15.6 centimeter multiplied by height is equal to 16.38 centimeter square. Or now we need to find height. Height will be over here. Then 16.38 centimeter square. Here was multiply. Here will become divide. 15.6 centimeter. Right? Now let's divide it. Now first what we are going to do? We are going to remove the decimal. Okay? We are going to remove the decimal. So over here, see, there are 2 digits. So here also needs to be 2 digits. So 1638 by 1560. Okay, we are going to divide this one. Now let's start dividing. So this will go with 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 3 0s are 0. Over here also 3 5s are 15. 1 13. 3 1s 3 4s are 12. Again 1 18. 3 6 are 18. So 546 by 520. Now we are going to divide this. So let's divide this by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. And 1 12. 2 6 are 12. Then is 0. Over here 2 2s are 4, 1 14, 2 7s are 14, then 6, 2 3s are 6, 273 by 260. Now see, this will go by 13. 13, 2s are 26, right? And then 0. Over here also 13 2s are 26. And then 13 1s are 13. 21 by 20. Now see, we can write this 21 by 20 as 2.1. If we want to write this 21 as 2.1, then where over here it will be the decimal here, over here, right? 2.0. Over here if the decimal is there, then here will be the decimal. 2.0 means 2. 2.1 by 2. Now we are going to divide it. 2 1s are 2, then 1, there is going to be 0, another 0, so 2 5s are 10. So the answer is what? 1.05, or height is 1.05 centimeter. Okay, 1.05 centimeter. So see, we have already found the missing values over here for height, base and height. With this we have completed question number 3. In the next video I am going to be back with question number 4. If you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me, please click on subscribe button. Thank you.